Plastic waste and unnecessary food loss are two major issues Goonzay is working to alleviate. What steps would you take to achieve a zero-waste world? Merely reducing volume and extending expiration dates are simply not enough. We need unprecedented innovation. Revolutionary, resource-circulating factories that don't produce plastic waste. Technology capable of separating different combinations of films and turning them into new resources. Collecting and recycling plastics that float on water. By leveraging plastics' properties and by circulating them, we can shift from the concept of eliminating plastics altogether to zero waste. Allow us to introduce the technologies of Goonzay. Each of Goonzay's business areas is working toward the following 3 SDGs: reduction of petrochemical materials, reduction of food loss, improving the efficiency of resources. Our shrink film business produces film for beverage and toiletry labeling. We have a top market share in Japan. In this business, we are working to reduce the use of petrochemical-derived raw materials. The first initiative is to convert to biomass plastic. Because petroleum, the crude material for plastics, is a depleting resource, we are currently developing films that utilize biomass materials. Products such as beverage-grade polyethylene terephthalate, or PET bottles, which use different raw materials for the cap, label, and bottle, require various processes for recycling. Goonzay is working to convert to polyolefin labels, which through density separation in water allows them to be easily collected for recycling into various products. Polyolefin has a particularly high recycling rate and can be used effectively. In the future, we will take on the challenge of recycling labels directly into more labels. Our nylon film business features products with high gas barrier and pinhole resistance, promoting the reduction of food loss. Normal packaging can become brittle under low temperature conditions, leading to pinholes and quality degradation. Goonzay's highly acclaimed tough film prevents the formation of pinholes and contributes to the problem of food loss. In the OPP business, Goonzay is focusing on anti-fogging film packaging for fresh vegetables. In the expanding pre-cut vegetable market, extending shelf life is an urgent issue. Goonzay's proprietary technology combines anti-fogging and high sealing properties for optimum packaging of vegetables, enabling them to last longer. We manufacture our films at 3 factories in Japan. Abroad, in addition to the US and China, we have established a new plant in Vietnam in 2020, providing films all over the world. One of our main production bases in Moriyama City, Shiga Prefecture, will be converted into a resource circulating factory in 2024 to achieve zero emissions. In the past, factories disposed of products that could not be brought to market. By reusing these limited resources in-house, we will convert our operations to recycling-oriented circulating factories. One example is material recycling. We have initiated a system that pulverizes defective products and returns them into raw materials. Multi-layer films, a unique Goonzay technology, cannot easily be returned back into raw materials. We are aiming to establish a technology to separate films with different compositions, extract only select materials, and recycle them as raw materials. Furthermore, our film plants will become ZEB offices, utilizing natural energies such as solar power generation and groundwater. For such efforts, we have set up tour passages and are working to gain the understanding of the local community. Responsible production and consumption. As a company aiming for zero waste, Goonzay will continue to take action for technological innovations.